Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fancia. Hey, so thanks for joining today, guys. And if today is your first time here, darling, you're welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining today. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And in case you haven't seen my previous video, you can go check them out after this very video. Thanks for joining today. I love you guys. So my previous video, someone commented and she said she wants me to do more of a video, and yeah, today guys I'm gonna be doing another wig tutorial. So always comment on the comment section, let me know what you want me to do, and I'll always do a tutorial for it. So today I'm gonna be installing this 40-inch wig cap on my hair. So as you can see, I've already set up the baby face.
I heard that. I wish I didn't hear that, but I just heard that.
Okay, I think on my last video I really didn't show in details how I cut my baby hair and this stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing more of hair tutorial, so I'm gonna be showing that. So if you want to know how I install my cap liner, you can go check my previous video. It wasn't really in details, but I believe you can pick one or two things from it. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing another tutorial on how I shape this, definitely. So this wig comes with a strap, yeah, which I really love, and it has 3 hooks on it. So yeah, one at this side and the other one at the back. So both sides have each and one at the back. And this strap is something that I really like. It's something that you should pay attention to, and the back hook. So this is gonna make your wig cap lie low on your hair, so you should really pay attention to the strap and the back hook. So yeah, let's begin, guys. useful and you learn something new. And it's very important that you pay attention to the back hook and the strap. So this does not only make your wig cap slip on your hair, it also tightens it on your hair. So as you can see in the video, before I added my glue to it, the wig cap is already so tight on my hair. So yeah guys, so quickly I want to show you the two glue that I use. So this is the Go2b spray glue, yeah, and this is also the Go2b styling gel. So yeah guys, this is the two glue that I use today, and please always check the description box because I write down every tools and product that I use, so always check the description box guys. So thank you again for joining me today guys, and if you like this video, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know how you feel about this video, and if you have any tutorial video you would like to see me do, just comment down in the comment section and I'll do a tutorial for it. And please guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for joining me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.